fellow food waste warriors. This is Teralyn Pilgrim, the author of No Scrap Left Behind, My Life Without Food Waste, and I run a food waste-free kitchen. You might be wondering what that means, so let's go over the basics. So, I have to eat this banana, but what do I do about the peel? There's no such thing as edible garbage, and banana peels are technically edible. You can make vegan bacon, banana peel cake. You can steam them and mix them into smoothies, apparently. It's supposed to be really good for your skin. But the thing is, I'm not going to make banana peel cake every time I want to eat a banana. That would be a huge burden on me, and it would be a huge burden on you. I'm trying to make your life easier. I'm trying to help you save money and save time in the kitchen and in the grocery store. I decide for myself that I have to eat every single banana peel to be zero food waste, then I'm just going to stop buying bananas. So it is with a clear conscience that I have decided to put it in my compost bin. I feel the same way about orange peels. With orange peels, you can make household cleaner, marmalade, or zest. But how much zest do I really need, right? How much marmalade am I going to eat? So I'll put that in the compost too. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Here, I've got an apple that I peeled and cored to make apple pancakes. I can put the core in the compost bin, but not the peel. I have to eat the peel. Why? What's the difference between apple peels and banana peels? The difference is that I would have eaten this before I took it off the apple. That means that it's food, and it's good food. It's full of vitamins, and it's very nutritious. So what can I do with these? Well, I can roast them with butter, sugar, and cinnamon. I can make apple cider vinegar, apple syrup. I could have just not peeled the apple in the first place and start including apple peels in my recipes, or I could just eat it plain. Now what I'm probably going to do is I dipped this apple in lemon juice so that it wouldn't turn brown for the video, so I'm going to make some lemon apple infused water. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, watch more videos, or order my book, No Scrap Left Behind.